tractor needs new engine.
Oh no! Why is it raining? I don't like rainy days. The road is so slippery and full of mud. Oh no! I can't see anything. My engine won't start. Help! What should I do?
Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. Please go to the repair room and wait. Your engine is still smoking and badly damaged. I will replace it with a new one. The belt is loose too. I'll fix it. The broken exhaust pipe also needs to be replaced. All done. Now it's cleaning time. Vehicle size, medium. Dirt level, very heavy. Dirt type, mud. All right, first rinse with clean water. Now add lots of bubbles. Rinse the bubbles away with clean water. Dry with the fan. Finally, wax and polish. All finished.
Wow! Thank you so much! I feel just like new!
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it.
I need to hurry back to carry vegetables now.
Okay, please stay safe.
Goodbye!
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.
Oh!